guys, my name is Ivy Lopez. I work as a unit director at Silva Elementary. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to do whipped coffee for kids. I do it for my daughter, but we use decaf coffee. We use stevia. So what you do is you use 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. That's 1, 2. You get 2 tablespoons of hot water, and you get 2 tablespoons of sugar. I don't really like to fill it up. I just put a little bit like that. 1 and 2. Once I have that, I turn on my mixer. Can you get closer so you can see what it looks like inside? Okay, I'm gonna start with my mixer. Mix it. It's easier if you use a mixer instead of using your hand. You're gonna wait for it to turn into like a puffy peanut butter kind of thing. So imagine whisking this with your hands. It would take forever. I'm gonna go as fast as I can so my video isn't as long. You can see it already turning a different color. Looks like it's changing. I'm trying to get it as mixed as possible, but I'm trying to rush it again. My video is not supposed to be that long because we won't be able to upload it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and stop there. Put it away. Okay. What you do next is you grab a cup, pour some ice. I'm not gonna put a lot because I'm gonna make 2 out of 1. Pour some milk. I'm gonna pour more milk on this one. Get my spoon. Go ahead and pour some on top. Pour some on top. I like to use the caramel one, so I'm gonna put caramel on mine. Very little. My daughter likes the French vanilla, so hers is gonna have French vanilla. Very little again. Go ahead and top it off with some more milk. Go ahead and bring the straw. You have to make sure that you're mixing it very well. And sometimes like it comes out really, really strong. So that's why with 1 serving, I make 2 servings. Oops. And you can use heavy whipping cream, the almond milk. There's different kinds of milk that you can use. So there you go. Voila, thank you for watching my video.